we started working on the concept of this house, we visualized it as a home where neutrals are dominant, yet each space has their own personality. We had a large blank canvas to work with. This was approximately 420 square meters large, designing with kid-friendly considerations and easy-to-clean materials. It almost took us 2 years to complete this loving home, and seeing it stand as a space where a family can live their life in comfort and security, we're proud to say that this home is their natural habitat. Welcome to the Cozy Atmosphere, a 2-story residence located in the southern part of Metro Manila. We all know that first impressions are important, and the same goes for our homes. A pivot door is well suited for a grand main door since this can be opened both ways. From the entrance, you can easily access the mudroom, which contains custom-built cabinetries that store their shoes and other daily essentials. We have a space where they can sit along with a mirror and a pegboard for their keys and small accessories. We maximize the understair cabinet as well by making it as their storage room. The ground floor welcomes you with an open layout, starting with a cozy living room setup. My client sourced most of the furniture, and we both agreed to work on a living room that invites people to lounge and chat. We designed a large living room in a U-shaped layout so we can achieve our vision, making it comfortable for people to sit down and catch up. We selected low-back furniture against a high ceiling, complementing it with a glass metallic nesting coffee table, center-top side table, and an abstract area rug. The main kitchen is located nearby, where we have custom cabinets imported from China. This kitchen will mostly serve as their workspace for baking and light cooking, along with a breakfast nook for the whole family. For efficient use of space, we designed this for 2 people using the counter simultaneously and added 2 workstation sinks. Storage spaces for their necessities and utilities also come to play in the design considerations. Right next to the kitchen is a dining area where we have a large 8-seater dining set with a sintered stone top and leatherette chairs. It is conveniently located near the lanai, which acts as an extension of the dining where the homeowners can accommodate more guests. Considering that this is an open layout, it was critical for us to have the elements matching with each other. We used gray as our darker neutral color, marble for texture and pattern, vertical lines, and walnut wood in our doors and wall to contrast the light oak wood ceramic floors. And speaking of doors, we added a thin sheet of plywood and have them wood stained in the same walnut shade to give the illusion of having floor-to-ceiling doors, making them look proportionate to the high ceiling. Smart home systems were also installed for their lighting and security system. As we move up, there's also a built-in storage by the staircase for large equipment, mainly for cleaning. We have the staircase in bamboo steps and handrail matched with a clear glass railing. Adding convenience and safety, we installed strip lights under each step, making it easier for the homeowners to see the next step, and it's much easier on the eyes, especially at nighttime. We have the main hallway where we were supposed to have a study area here, but due to the change of plans, we kept this clear for now so the homeowners can have the flexibility to convert this into a mini gym or a family hall, whichever they like. There's also a cabinet here for cleaning equipment and linen, which is easily accessible from the bedrooms. The girls' bedroom is a playground for creativity, where there's a mix of green and pink colors, matched with gold accents and wood. This is a shared space, so we wanted to create concepts of personal zones whenever we can. We have 2 double beds separated between, with night tables for each zone. We also have their long study desk and their own pegboards connected with their own reading nook. The reading nook is perfect for displays and bookshelf, along with under-seat storage. They also have their own space in their walk-in closet, where we also added a vanity table for their use. Their bathroom is a concept of play, where we combined green Kit Kat tiles and a vibrant pattern of terrazzo to create an interesting contrast of materials. Considering that this will be used by kids, we kept the corner of our sink tops rounded and toiletries easily accessible. The boys' bedroom has a different take, where Japandi elements were reflected. From the elevated bed frame to the work desk, everything is connected with each other, going for a simple combination of gray and wood. We allocated a generous space for the bed frame so it's easier to change sheets, access the storage cabinets, and space for the drawers below. We also added in more lighting option for this room with headboard light and an adjustable reading lamp. The study desk also has its own set of pegboards with its own task lighting and accessible outlets. He also has his own walk-in closet with a pocket door that has a full-length mirror. Same layout as the girls' bathroom, this one works on a similar palette with its bedroom. We went for dark gray concrete ceramic tiles and matched it with light gray terrazzo tiles to complete the room look. Working on the largest home I had so far has been an experience filled with lots of new wisdom and unlearning things that don't fit anymore. From concept to reality, seeing this home stand feels like a dream to me, and I can't thank my client enough for making me a part of their home building journey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time.